Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource. In this video, I'm gonna share how you can create an ATS friendly resume template. Even you don't have to create from the scratch. I have some amazing doc-based ATS friendly resume template. You just have to download and edit for yourself. I'm gonna tell all these steps and how you can make your resume before applying according to the job description. Before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more regular related to hiring updates, placement material and everything. You can check out my previous resources. If you find anything is missing, do let me know in the comment section. I will curate for you guys and share in the comment section. So yeah, here you will get at least 8 doc-based ATS-friendly resume template. Some are for experience, some are for freshers. Okay, let's explore. So this resume template I asked someone previously a long back. So it is very ATS-friendly and you can just download it, right? You can download this template in a doc format and add it directly. Okay, I will not give access to this because if you edit this and then how you other people gonna add it. Okay, so don't request request for access, just download it. So here I just open this, download it and open it, and how you can edit. So some people are new to doc based resume template, they don't know how to edit. Just enable editing in word based, or in that little formatting can be break. So just decrease the size of the text. Okay, the formatting may. Okay, so here will be your first name. Okay, first name and last name. Okay, then how to edit this URL? So to edit URL, you have to just click, select that text where it's been used as URL. You have to please Control plus K. That open where you can replace your LinkedIn URL. So here you have to replace and click OK. So your URL will be replaced. Same as your GitHub profile, you just have to select the text where it's hyperlink and then Control plus K, then replace your. Similarly, you have to edit, and whenever you are saving, just download it as a save as a PDF. Okay. So similarly, like this, you can download all these templates. Okay, whichever is relevant to you, entry level data scientist experience, resume template. So all these I have added on the blog for more easy. You can use all these links in one go. So here I have shared the importance of resume and all the links are added here. Okay, and if you need some overleaf based resume template, it's added here. I will share. These are overleaf latex based resume templates, which is also very ATS friendly, which you can use one column based, two column based. These are two column based resume, these are one column based. Like entry level Jake's resume is very famous, deep CV, DDCV plus CV. So you can all use all these resources, just download and edit. And on Overleaf it's very easy. Basically you just have to log in, sign up, and then view as a source, and there you can start editing. Okay, it's not very hard. You can watch tutorial on that or how to edit on Overleaf. So Overleaf based resumes are also very good. So I will attach all the links in the description. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And talking about the ATS score checker, you can do here. We have a AI tool. Just upload your resume, paste the job description. It will tell you your score, suggestions, what you can improve. Okay, check it out. If this video was helpful, do let me know. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.